Welcome to Java,
East Java.
in Indonesia.
Yesterday we landed in Surabaya, and as you could see today we already saw a beautiful sunrise in front of the volcano Bromo.
We took a tour from Malang. This is one of the ways to see Mount Bromo. All about the tour we will explain a little bit later. In the afternoon we will check the city itself. And now let's see what is going on here around the volcano.
I can hear your
Back in the city. Yesterday after the tour we were really tired, so we didn't really film anything. The tour, you will be picked up at
Midnight.
yes, midnight, because it's quite a long drive.
And you cannot sleep in the car if you go from Malang, because the street, the road were
It's too
just,
bumpy.
Yeah.
It's too bumpy. So you get to the viewpoint quite early, and then you have time to pick your favorite spot, which is really hard to tell because it's pitch black. No one really tells you anything. So it's more of a transport, not really a tour. So to get you from place to place. But then the sunrise is really amazing and worth it. Then on the way back you also see some other things. At the moment the crater is closed due to the activity of the volcano. Then the waterfall.
Nice.
That was a pleasant surprise.
Go
Excellent.
down, go to the waterfall, it's beautiful.
And then why we decided to go from Malang? Maybe because we thought that there's more to see in this city than Probolinggo. Like for example the villages of Jodipan and Kampung Tride. This was a former slum area, and then some local artists decided to...
No, I think it was students.
Students, yeah, decided to paint the houses to raise awareness against the pollution of the river.
Yeah.
And now
One is a rainbow village, and the other one is a blue village. And the blue village is mostly recycled, made of recycled art or something like that. And on this side, I think the army painted it. And yeah, come here, meet the locals. They're really nice. Buy something, help them. It's beautiful.
the entrance fee is 3,000, which
Yeah,
is not
so-
that much. But we are now going to continue to the east of the island.
Another volcano is waiting for us.
Let's go. Volcano numero 2.
See.
This is the volcano Ijen, Kawah Ijen. It means one crater. How the tour goes? You start in Licin,
Around midnight.
yeah, and then they take you up by car, and from there you actually have to go on a hike. It gets quite steep, quite crowded. You
It's
come
3K up, and then you have to descend into the crater for 700 meters, I think.
yeah.
And down there you need masks.
The path gets really tricky, so be careful, have normal shoes and you have to wear the mask. So every time you smell like rotten eggs, put the mask on. And at the bottom, if you're lucky, you can see the blue flames. That was amazing. No, let's say something else. It was, I don't know, out of this world. But then just make sure that, and it's cold, as you can see. Then you
Bring gloves, hats, everything you can wear.
then hike back up to the sunrise spot and just enjoy the sunrise. And then behind us is the real magic. So now let's show that.
shoes down.
To sum up our volcano tour, first it was Mount Bromo. What would you say?
Nice views. A little more expensive than the second one. It was 650 per person.
But there has to be like 4 people in the group for that. So at the moment the crater is closed. So if for some reason you can only do one volcano here, we would definitely recommend
Ijen.
Ijen. The tour is cheaper, by the way. It's better value. It's 600,000 for
And it's private.
just for 2, and you actually get a guide, so you get some info on how everything, how the mining of the sulfur works. So that was really nice.
And you can take your time.
Yeah.
Always when we ask how much time do we have, as much as you want.
They don't rush you. You can take as many pictures as you like.
And the views are again unbelievable. You meet the miners, you see a beautiful sunrise over Bali, then you see the acid lake.
With its green colors. And now we're ending this vlog in Licin, so unfortunately we only have like a couple of hours here. We just want to stay, take pictures, videos.
It's beautiful. No one's here, just the locals. It's just rice paddies, everything's green.
They're constantly recommending where to take the pictures.
Yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. It's still very low key. We are staying in a homestay. It's really nice.
So thank you for watching this volcanic vlog. And if you liked the video, please press like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And until the next one,
see ya!